Hello friends, welcome to the YouTube channel Civilsteps. So Civilsteps has started one of the important series that is for Prelims 2022. So Target Prelims 2022 initiative of Civilsteps will help students to cover the important topics of history, geography, polity, economy, science, environment, and current affairs. So this Target Prelims 2022 series has started from 19th of December 2021 and will help you to cover more than 1000 important topics for prelims examinations. Target Prelims 2022 has been designed keeping in mind the dynamic nature of the UPSC Civil Services Examinations. Hence, Target 2022 focus on overall preparation of a serious civil services aspirant, and it will sail you through UPSC Civil Services Examination very smoothly. So, today we will discuss important MCQs based on environment and basic science. So, the first question is, consider the following animals of India. First, crocodile. Second, elephant. So, which of these is or are endangered species? Option A, one only. Option B, two only. Option C, both one and two. Option D, neither one nor two. So, you can pause this video and write your answer in the comment section below. So, the answer of this question is option C, both one and two. So crocodile and elephant, both these both are endangered species. So you should know about what is meant by endangered species, what is IUCN red list, and what is vulnerable species, which species are covered under vulnerable, and which species are least concern, critically endangered, and what is meant by critically endangered. So you can get knowledge about these related stuff. So let us now discuss question number second. In the context of mitigating the impending global warming due to anthropogenic emissions of carbon dioxide, which of the following can be the potential sites for carbon sequestration? First, abandoned and uneconomic coal seams. Second, depleted oil and gas reservoirs. Third, subterranean deep saline formations. So select the correct answer using the code given below. Option A, 1 and 2 only. B, 3 only. C, 1 and 3 only. D, 1, 2 and 3. So you can write down your answer in the comment section. So the answer of this question is option D, 1, 2 and 3. So carbon sequestration may be carried out by pumping carbon into carbon sinks of two types: A, natural sinks, which is ocean, forest, soil, etc., and B, which is artificial sink, which is depleted oil reserve, unminable mines. So statement 1 and second are correct, and deep saline formations in fact have highest capacity for this. So accordingly, answer is D. So you should know the meaning of carbon sequestration. What are the sites of carbon sequestration? What are the types of carbon sequestration? So this was all about question number second. So let us discuss question number third. With reference to red sanders, sometimes seen in the news, consider the following statements. First, it is a tree species found in a part of South India. Second, it is one of the most important trees in the tropical rainforest areas of South India. So, which of the following statements are correct? Option A, one only. B, two only. C, both one and two. D, neither one nor two. So, you can write down your answer in the comment section below. So, the answer of this question is option A, one only. So, Pterocarpus centellinus, with the common names red sanders, red sandalwood, and Saunders wood, is a species of Pterocarpus endemic to the southern Eastern Ghats mountain range of South India. This tree is valued for the rich red color of its wood. The wood is not aromatic. It was in national media during April 2015 when Andhra Pradesh police killed 20 red sender smugglers in an encounter. So first statement is right, and red sanders is associated with tropical dry deciduous forest as per Environment Ministry website. Hence, statement number second is wrong. So you should know about these important biodiversity species, and you should have knowledge about important flora and fauna. So you can also read about endemic species, and you should focus on Western Ghats, especially because this is very important. And this was all about question number 3. So let us now discuss question number 4. Consider the following minerals. First, calcium. Second, iron. Third, sodium. So which of the minerals given above is or are required by human body for the contraction of muscles? Option A, 1 only. B, 2 and 3 only. C, 1 and 3 only. D, 1, 2 and 3. So you can write down your answer in the comment section. So I hope you have written the answer. So the correct answer of this question is option C, 1 and 3 only. So calcium is the most common and abundant mineral in the body. It is important for healthy bones and teeth, helps muscle relax and contract, important in nerve functioning, blood clotting, etc. Sodium is needed for proper fluid balance, nerve transmission, and muscle contraction. So this was all about question number 4. You should know the important minerals. Actually, the theme of minerals is very important for UPSC prelims exam point of view. In UPSC 2020 prelims examination, UPSC has asked about major minerals. So 4 options were given, and UPSC asked that which of the following minerals is classified as major mineral. So you can clearly understand the importance of this topic. So you can read more about this topic from standard sources, and you should also know about elements, minerals. So what is the difference between element and mineral? So which of the following minerals are very important? So likewise, this question was asked in one of previous years of UPSC. Let us now discuss question number 5, which is the final question of this video. Widespread resistance of malarial parasite to drugs like chloroquine has prompted attempts to develop a malarial vaccine to combat malaria. So why is it difficult to develop an effective malaria vaccine? Option A, malaria is caused by several species of plasmodium. Option B, man does not develop immunity to malaria during natural infection. Option C, vaccines can be developed only against bacteria. Option D, man is only an intermediate host and not the definitive host. So you can write down your answer in the comment section. So the correct answer of this question is option B, man doesn't develop immunity to malaria during natural infection. So it is difficult to develop an effective malaria vaccine because repeated natural infection doesn't produce detectable resistance to exoerythrocytic cycle of malaria in man. So you should know the important microorganisms. So what is the reason of spreading malaria and how it is spreaded? Likewise, you can read about other prominent diseases like HIV, AIDS. UPSC has already asked some questions on HIV, AIDS, chikungunya, and Zika virus. So this theme of diseases is extremely important from UPSC prelims exam point of view, and you should have knowledge of important diseases. So especially which are in the news nowadays. So this was all about today's video. You can subscribe the channel and you can also press the bell icon. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you.